Akshay Urja Divas, a day dedicated to renewable energy, a powerful solution for our planet's future. Today we'll break down the basics of alternative energy with a special focus on the most abundant source of all, the sun. We have with us Himakshi Malik, a research associate from TERI's Electricity and Renewables Division, who will discuss why solar power is leading the charge. Why do we observe Akshay Urja Divas and what is its significance?
The Akshay Urja Divas was actually inaugurated by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy in 2004. And this Divas is quite ahead of its time. Since then, on the 20th of August every year, we celebrate this Divas to actually demonstrate how renewable energy can play a pivotal role in decreasing our dependence on fossil fuels.
What is renewable energy? And which is the most popular and efficient source of the same?
Renewable energy, as the name suggests, means something that can be renewed or replenished. In this case, we're talking about natural resources that can be replenished. So resources like water, sunlight, biomass, wind, etc. are examples of resources that can be used to generate electricity or energy. And India is a country that is fortunately blessed by solar energy and other forms of resources, as you can see quite evidently. And solar energy as a whole plays a lion's share of capacity in the entire resource planning of renewable energy in the country. And the reason why is because solar is very modular, it's scalable, and it's becoming increasingly affordable.
How can the common citizen adopt renewable energy alternatives? And how can the government facilitate the same?
Oftentimes, we feel that renewable energy is far-fetched or can only be installed in large-scale parks such as solar parks or wind farms. But you, as a consumer, as a residential consumer of electricity, can actually play a huge role in it. So as you can see behind me, one of the applications where you can use solar energy is on your rooftops itself. So citizens can actually install solar modules on their rooftops, and the government has made it quite accessible and affordable through their PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. And the Muft Bijli Yojana definitely entails that you can actually avail free electricity from the solar panels that you install on your rooftop. You can avail a subsidy from the government up to 78,000 rupees, up to 3 kilowatt peak systems in your household. And with that, you can reduce your dependence on the grid. So you using the rooftops at your home can actually contribute to reducing the CO2 emissions in the country by using solar energy. Start today.